This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Judy Brooks. Wow! What a great location! This location has it all. Close enough to the Fairfield amenities and yet far enough away, located in a quiet court just off Lisa Lane with a seasonal view of Druid Golf Course. The great features of this home are: 4 bedrooms split floor plan. The primary bedroom ensuite has floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the covered rear deck as well as the bathroom with a walk-in shower and double vanities. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a full bath and bedroom/flex room. 4 is over the large garage with closet and a large window. The kitchen has plenty of cabinets and countertop space with a walk-in pantry. The laundry room off the kitchen features a walk-through pocket door with access from the primary bedroom and kitchen with a built-in china cabinet too. The large open dining area is off the kitchen and open to the great room with a stone, natural gas log fireplace. From the dining area is the family room, which is an open sunroom that is heated/cooled with access to the covered and uncovered deck. The exterior of the house has a large circular driveway and a fenced-in backyard and 2 separate areas for a workshop and storage. Come and see for yourself. For more information, review